Let's do our lesson for today, which is entitled as Let's Play CLIL, okay, from Module 6. And in this lesson, we will learn to tell the time, okay? Look here at these clocks. They are telling time, okay? So let's learn how to tell time by looking at any clock that we see. So let's listen and learn, all right?
What's the time? It's 9:30. What's the time? It's 9:30. What's the time? It's 3:15. What's the time? It's 3:45. What's the time? It's 5:15. What's the time? It's 5:15.
All right, thank you very much, dear students, for listening. So, look here and look carefully. What's the time? What's the time? So, when the minute hand here on the 6, we say have passed. Have passed. Then we say the number of the hour. Okay, so as you can see, it's 9:30. Right? Next, look here also. When the minutes hand is here pointing to 9, we say 1:45. A quarter to, all right? Then we say the number of the hour, okay? The number of the hour. So 1:45. Then the number of the hour, which is 4 here. Next, and when the minutes hand pointing to 3, I say 1:15. Then I say the number of the hour. All right, so here in this clock, the time is 5:15. 5:15. All right, thank you very much for listening. Now, let's open our books, student's book, to page number 76 and 77. All right, and you will see this. And in this, we will ask about when we do something and how to answer this question. All right, by telling the time. Let's read this question together. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? And look how this boy answered the question. I go to bed at 9:15. I go to bed at 9:15. Look at this clock here. It is 9:15. So this is how you ask about when you do something. Okay, you ask someone when he does something. So, dear students, to learn more about time and how to tell time, let's do this activity. Alright, look at sentence number 1. It's a quarter to 2. It is a quarter to 2. So which clock from these 4 clocks that tells the time in sentence number 1? Alright, as you can see, it is this clock, D. Okay, it is D. Now let's do sentence number 2. It's a quarter past 3. It's a quarter past 3. Alright, so which clock tells this time? Alright, it is clock A here. As you can see, a quarter past 3. Now let's do sentence number 3. It's a quarter past 5. So which clock tells this time in sentence number 3? Alright, that's it. It is B, as you can see. Now sentence number 4. It's a quarter to 7. It's a quarter to 7. Alright, so it's clock C here. So dear student, that's how we tell time. You have to memorize these words and be clever about telling time. Thank you very much. Now let's move to the next step, which is also about telling time, but this time not on the clock, but by knowing or identifying the parts of the day. Parts of the day, all right? So look here at these pictures. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night. These 4 pictures telling us about time. Okay, these are parts of the day, and at the same time they are telling us about time. Now please listen and repeat.
In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
Now let's make use of the parts of the day and tell the time. For example, look at this question. When does people sleep? And the answer is they sleep at night. At night. So by this we are telling the time. At night means time. Another question. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 in the morning. Did you see that? I wake up at 6, time on the clock, in the morning, part of a day. And that's it. Just to practice and memorize the word and make use of them. It's very easy. Now we come to know our homework, which is on this page, page number 74 from the workbook. Page number 74, workbook. All right, this page. And by this, we come to the end of our lesson. So finally, we say goodbye. Bye. برعاية الله أعزائي الطلاب، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.